lavender blue. Oops, sorry if I moved the camera just then. So today is Monday, and on Monday it is Fiona Spreading Kindness Day. And that means that at the end of this video, I'll be drawing the winner from last week's video, and the winner will receive some happy mail in the mail from me. So if you want to win some happy mail from me, just comment below this video with the words Fiona Spreading Kindness, and then we'll draw someone out next week. So before we draw the winner out, we're going to make a little something today, and it's just a little doily pocket. And you might have seen these before. So you've got two little pockets here, one here and one at the back. And it's made from a doily. Now with mine, I did it a little bit different because I was afraid of the doily being, too flimsy or fragile and that it might rip. So I've added paper to mine. So I'll just show you, because it makes it a little bit more sturdy. So I'll just show you how I made mine. And I need to get another doily out. So you can use any size doily, just depending on the size of pocket that you want. So you can see with this size doily, which is, where's my ruler? Or does it say on the packet? Nope. I'll measure it in a second. They always stick together, don't they? Sometimes it's hard to know if you've got just one or two. Pretty sure that's just one. Let's get that away. And so it measures in inches. We've got, let's see, at the widest part, it's 5.5 inches, which is 14 centimeters. So you'll get a little pocket, which is around about 3 inches by 4 inches. Now, this isn't necessarily what I'm going to put inside this one. I just quickly wanted to find something to put in there just to show you. So I'm going to grab a piece of paper, and you can use double-sided paper, but I'm going to glue mine onto the back of this paper because it's just one-sided. I think I want to put it where those flowers are. So this one you can see my paper through there because it's double-sided, and then you can see it at the back. So I'm going to glue it onto the white side so that when I fold it, you'll be able to see at the back, you'll be able to see the pretty paper. Okay, so I'm just going to get my glue stick and excuse me, where's my glue mat? Not sure what I did with my glue mat. It's okay, we'll just, I've already got the lid off. Just going to put glue. I'm going to put this glue over most of the doily, and then I'll go around the edges with another glue to make sure it's down properly. So I think I wanted it about there. So I'm going to go around with my clear glue. It's just a clear craft glue, nothing special. Make sure that's all glued down. I think I'm getting glue under there. There we go. We can always glue it a bit more later on if it's not completely stuck down properly. Okay, so all I did then was I just cut. Now you can cut out the shape if you want to, or you could just cut a circle if you didn't want to go around all the little, I think it looks nice cutting around the shape. But you don't have to be perfect. I'm not doing it perfectly, just roughly. I'm finding it hard to see in this light actually. Let's just get around it. Right, I'm going to go the rest just as a circle because it's white on white, I'm having trouble seeing. Probably to get away with that, be a good idea to ink the edges before you stick it down, and then you can see the edges properly if you're doing it white on white. This is still pretty wet. Okay, so I think up the top I want to see these pretty flowers. Or that one maybe. So I'm just going to, first of all, fold my edges in. But they don't have to meet, but they can if you want them to. So I'll just do it till they sort of almost meet. And then there is a couple of ways you can do it. So I did it just like this. Then I folded up and I had my front pocket and just glued down the sides. But I think I've seen people do it the other way, where you fold up that first and then you bring the sides in. You've still got that pocket there, and this is like a tuck here. But I'm going to do it the other way because I just like the way it looks this way. Still got a lot of glue and I don't want that pocket to stick down. But before you glue this pocket down, just glue these down to the back so that when you put pieces in and out of the pocket, it's not going to catch on these. So let's try tacky glue this time. So yeah, just gluing the corners down. Still a little bit wet, but I'm going to just hope that it doesn't stick down. So glue these sides down and glue that up. And we have a cute little pocket there. Now I might just put something in there. What should I put in there? Just to hold that open a little bit. There we go. And then what I did was I inked all around my little doily. Just with, I'm using Rusty Hinge ink. And do a little bit on the doily. You can see that effect from the Rusty Hinge. The edges. Just do a little bit on the back. There we go. Now to decorate, I just did a piece of, I used a fairly sheer lace, this little white piece of lace, because, well, you know, a delicate lace, because the, I thought because doilies look delicate, that it might be nice just to have a bit of delicate lace there. Let's glue that one down. And it would look nice on the bottom as well if you maybe weren't putting it into a pocket. I think I'll just do mine the same again because I quite like that. And then all I did was I put a little bow. So this one's got a nice pink little bow. And let's put a little yellow one on this one. I think I'll get my fabric glue. That glue down there. Oh, didn't glue on, did it? Some of this fabric like really soaks up the glue. This one seems to. Just glue you down again. There we go. And that's our cute little doily pockets. Now I was thinking, I did put this tag in, that was just for, you know, demonstration purposes. But I think they would look really nice with, you know, your smaller things in the front. And then probably a tallish tag or one that just goes just above, you know, with a little piece of ribbon or something up there. Rather than decorating this back part, unless you're going to have something small in there, then you could probably put a little eyelet in there and put some ribbon in the actual pocket. Okay, so that is how I made my little doily pocket. Okay, so now that we've done that, and these are going into my flip-flop journal, which I'm still working on. Now that I've done that, I will draw the winner for last week's Fiona Spreading Kindness. Okay, so I didn't have many entries. I had a few people commenting, but not everyone said Fiona Spreading Kindness, so I couldn't answer everyone who commented into it, sorry. And I'm going to pick out a winner. It is Crystal Perkins. So Crystal Perkins, you commented on my video. Congratulations. So you will need to contact me, and the easiest way to contact me is to message me on Facebook. So if you just check my links below the video, you'll find me. So just message me on Facebook with your home address so that I can send you some happy mail. Okay, so remember guys, if you want to win some happy mail from me, comment below this video with the words Fiona Spreading Kindness. Okay, so thanks very much for watching guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.